Hello everyone, let's do some hairstyling. Grab the top section of the hair in the middle part and make a ponytail out of it and drop it into its own tail using a hair loop. Then grab the section of the hair right below that and do the ponytail right on top of the first one as well. Then do it one more time at the bottom and combine every ponytail into a common braid. Then at the bottom section of the hair, have another braid and secure with a rubber band. Then drop in your favorite hair cluster on top of the twisted band. Folded braid and a pair of braid. Comb the middle section of the hair and separate the back section away in the middle section. Make a ponytail and split them into two parts and have it braided and roll it into an anti-clockwise manner and have it as a bun secure with a rubber band. And in the top part of the back section, make a ponytail split them into three parts and have it braided in a thicker manner. Do the exact same braiding at the bottom section and do your lovely hair cluster on top of it. Split your hair vertically into two sections from the back and have ponytails on each of them. Then braid the top part of the ponytail and the bottom part of it. Have a rubber band attached to the top middle part and curl up and drop the tail into it. Crunch it to the top, making a bow tie. Bring the braid back and have the bow tie secure with the rubber band. Then split the braid into two and have it go to the top of the bow tie and split the remaining part of the ponytail into two. Have the top section of the hair split them into two parts and have it braided and combine the braid with the bottom section of the hair. Then split the tail into two and have it braided and fold it to the top and secure it with a little rubber band and decorate with your favorite hair cluster on top of that. Have the top section of the hair into a ponytail and braid it until the midway. Then grab the sides of the hair, tie in the middle over the braid with the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, split them into two and have each of them split them into three parts and braid it. And do the same braiding on the left side and fold the braid over the second rubber band. Four braids with strips of hair going in between. Once again, split the top section of the hair into two parts and have it braided. Now, braid the braids. It's a new one, right? So do the braiding as normal as you would do, but having the already braided ones. But do have strips of hair going between the braids gap borrowed from the front of the middle section and braid as normal as you would do once when you empty that. Then after that, combine with the remaining ponytail and split them into four braids. Comb the middle section of the hair and have a ponytail on it and drop a beautiful hair cluster that has strings but also has a similar pan to the hair cluster in between. Then split your ponytail into three parts and have it braided along with the strings you have, but don't forget to have the pan right on top of the braid so that it appears on top. Then after that, with the ponytail at the back we have it braided with the already braided one. Then continue the braiding and secure the end with the rubber band. Then leave the hair as such. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair, split the tail into two parts and have it on each side. Then on each side we have split the tail into three and have it braided with each strand of hair borrowed from the front of the middle section going in between the braid gap. You know how to braid it? First cross the three parts of the ponytail and have the strips of hair in between and cross it. So this is how you should braid it. Then braid as normal as you do. Do the same braiding on the right side and split the back section of the hair into two and braid it along with the already braid we have. Then fold it into the top and have a beautiful hair cluster. Comb your hair in the middle and have ponytail at the back section of the hair. In the middle section, split them into two parts horizontally and have ponytails on each of them and combine it with the rubber band. Then drop it into its own loop, making a twisted band and combine it with the ponytail at the back section. Then braid it, then roll into a bun and have the tip secure underneath the bun we created and have the whole thing secure with the rubber band. Half braid and half ponytail. Split your hair vertically at the back into two sections and have each section into two parts and have the top part into three parts and have it braided. You know how to braid it? Keep crossing the tail so that the left tail goes to the right and it comes back to the left. So this is how you should braid it. So do the braiding until the midway, but don't forget to pinch out the hair at the sides to make it into a loopy braid and secure with the rubber band. Then combine the braid to the ponytail at the bottom, then leave the remaining hair as such, dropping your favorite hairband on top of that. Thank you everyone for watching this video.